Understanding Fireplace Inserts, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, fireplace insert. This might be a new term for many of you, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a fireplace insert is, but also how to use this term in your daily conversations. A fireplace insert is a heating appliance designed to fit into an existing fireplace. Unlike a traditional fireplace, which is built into the wall of a house, an insert can be installed into an existing fireplace to improve its efficiency. It's like a stove that you can put inside your fireplace. Inserts are usually made of cast iron or steel and have glass fronts, allowing you to see the fire burning. They are used to heat a room more efficiently than a traditional open fireplace. Fireplace inserts come in various types, each using different fuel sources. The most common types include wood-burning inserts. These use wood as fuel and are popular for their natural ambiance and traditional feel. Gas inserts. They use natural gas or propane and are known for their convenience and clean burning. Pellet inserts. These use compressed wood or biomass pellets as fuel. They are environmentally friendly and easy to operate. Electric inserts. These are the simplest to install and use electricity to create a flame-like effect without real fire. Each type has its own advantages and can be chosen based on personal preference, availability of fuel, and environmental considerations. Using a fireplace insert comes with several benefits. Increased efficiency. Inserts are more efficient at heating a space than traditional open fireplaces. Reduced emissions. Many inserts produce fewer emissions, making them a more environmentally friendly option. Cost-effective. They can reduce overall heating costs by effectively warming a room. Aesthetic appeal. Inserts can update the look of an old fireplace, adding to the room's decor. I hope this video has helped you understand what a fireplace insert is and why it might be a great addition to a home. Remember, whether it's for heating efficiency, environmental reasons, or just to enhance the look of your living space, a fireplace insert can be a great choice. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.